Welcome back to Learn VC. We're here talking about inventory and the logic of how documents move through the inventory setup, the overarching architecture in comparison with warehousing. Here we have our scenario picture we had from our previous video. And from here, we're going to look at really talking through that process. We start with the purchase order. We are, clearly we need to send that to our supplier, and the natural response to that is they will then turn around and ship goods to us, and we will receive goods. So at this point within Business Central, we've actually increased our inventory quantity. There's no warehousing in this scenario. We're just receiving the goods, bringing it into inventory. The same process goes for the sales. So a sales order, it's very light on. You can put a number and a quantity. When you turn around and post it, it's going to give you the option to ship or ship an invoice, and off she goes. We have, for inventory, the consumption when we're talking about production. So to produce something that you effectively are making a product out of multiple subcomponents. You have to consume them. When you consume them, it reduces the inventory. And then when we create an output, which is the finalization of production, the made product, the completed product, you have an output quantity. And then the last thing there is our inventory. So when we're doing a stock take account, etc., like the impact to the inventory will impact not only the quantity, but also the cost and the item value on the subledger of that particular item within inventory.